Some animals have powers so insane they almost sound fake. Number 5. Immortal Jellyfish. Instead of dying naturally, this jellyfish can restart its life cycle and become young again, just like Mothra from Monsterverse. Number 4. Bombardier Beetle. When he is attacked, it fires a boiling chemical spray from its body like a tiny biological weapon towards its enemies. He carries Iron Man's repulsor blast in his back. Number 3. Mimic Octopus. This octopus can copy the appearance and movement of other animals to survive danger. Brother can hide better than Batman. Number 2. Lyrebird. This bird can perfectly imitate sounds like chainsaws, alarms, camera shutters, and even human noises. Don't believe me? Just listen. Unbelievable, right? Number 1. Hairy frog. When threatened, this frog breaks its own bones and pushes them through its skin to create claws, just like Wolverine. These animals prove nature created superpowers long before superheroes existed. Which animal power shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments.